We are headed into week 6 of quarter 1, Intro to Color Theory. This week we're going to be exploring the color wheel. Supplies you're going to need for this week will be crayons or color pencils. So if you don't have your printout, remember you can always draw this on a separate piece of paper and then just make sure you follow the same directions. So if we remember, our color wheel is the order in which we place our colors. So we start with red and move to orange, then yellow, green, blue, and purple. We put our colors in a certain order so that they blend well together. Let's first start by writing our name with pencil up at the top of the paper. So our directions are going to ask us to read the name of each color, then correctly color each piece of the pie. We're going to start with red. Now with a pencil, a black crayon, or a black marker, you can do the next step. The first thing we want to do is trace our color word. So I'm using a marker. Again, you can use a black crayon, a pencil, or a black marker, depending on what you have available. So we're going to trace the color word first, and then we're going to fill in the entire piece of the pie with the color red. Now I started out lightly, but I'm actually going to color in all of my pieces very dark. The next piece we're going to color is our orange piece. So don't forget to trace your letters first. Once all your letters have been traced, grab your orange crayon and fill in your piece of the pie. Our next color word is yellow. So we have red, orange, then yellow in that order. Gonna trace my letters first. Then I'm gonna get my crayon and fill in that piece of the pie. So we're going to take a brief pause right here. We're going to stand up and move to the color song. My friends at home, you can find that on Schoology. So now that we got the wiggles out, we're going to go back to work and start with the color green. And then once again, when we're finished tracing our color word letters, we're going to fill in the piece of the pie with our green crayon or color pencil. Our next piece is going to be the color blue. Remember to fill in your entire piece of the pie. Our last piece is going to be violet. This is also known as the color purple. So purple has two names on the color wheel, purple and violet. So let's trace the color word violet. Now, if you look on the paper of your crayon, you will see purple and the word violet. And that violet will match right up to our color word here on our color wheel. And there we have our full color wheel. All of our colors, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Don't forget to submit your assignment on Schoology for full credit. Click the like button and have a nice day.